Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about trend lines. Trend lines, as it sounds, comes from the word trend, as in price action. There is a certain direction the market goes according to candlestick formation, either bullish or bearish, but there are some patterns that go horizontal. For example, this one. So how do you identify trend line? First of all, you need to know what causes them. Trend lines are caused by sentiment or fundamentals of things happening around the world, like wars. For example, Nicolas Maduro has been captured, which could cause the US dollar to gain value. So it's a win for the US economy. So if the market breaks beyond the trend line and retests to give a buy or sell signal, then you can go ahead and place your trade. We talked about risk management in the previous video. You can go and check it out. If you don't know how to draw trend lines, let me know in the comments. So as we come to the end of this video, I'm going to leave you with this trend line pattern. You can also do your own research on Google because they are quite important. And also like and subscribe. Thanks for your support.